I'm having some lunch at Mr.sub in North Bay. Spicy chicken. Got my trusty energy drink. So now that I don't have anything in my mouth, I'm gonna talk about some things I'm gonna do in 2012. I think I might do some videos at around the city about some histories of North Bay and stuff like that, and make some videos of me going around to the different fast food locations and stuffing my face. Ha! I want to thank the Mr.sub for letting me film here. Of course, I could just say that I'm a tourist. One of the ladies behind the counter shaking her head. Did anybody want to say anything to YouTube land? What? Did anybody want to say anything to YouTube land?
Why does it say annual deaths?
That's my wallpaper.
Why do you have tape on your screen?
Because I didn't take it off. It's still a brand new computer. Okay. That's how I usually like to.
Okay, then no. Sorry.
What, do you want me to take the tape off and...
Hi! Hi!
So that was a lady that works here. Oh, so that's an advertisement from this place? She's saying she wouldn't touch any other restaurant with a 10-foot pole but Mr.sub. Don't call me sir. Did you want to say something, like hi or something?
Hell no. I thought you were actually talking to somebody else over there.
Thank you. That is YouTube land. What the hell? I'm talking. See, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to millions and millions of people all over the world. So a lady at Mr.sub behind the counters thought that I was actually talking to somebody. Well, of course I am. Now they're talking about me, mumbling in the background. So yeah, I'm gonna be making videos all around the community.
You should have just set your laptop up right here while you're doing a shift. Record the whole night. When all the drunks come out.
Well, I wanted to, but I had to. If I was going to do that, I had to ask each and every individual if they wanted to be on YouTube and stuff. And
okay.
There was. Now, I don't think a lot of them would have a problem with it, as long as you said you're being filmed and it's going to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Hitler is the boss here, okay? We getting makeup on? Who's getting makeup on? Lee! Someone's putting makeup on from a video. I had to go get another drink. That is.
Get that thing away from me.
I want to buy a drink.
I'm not selling it.
What?
Could I? Oh crap!
No. Why is that thing turned towards me?
It's not one, it's your imagination.
Is it on?
No one, it's not on.
Can I get a?
Nice.
Can I get a full throttle, please?
Can I help you, sir?
Yeah. Can I get a full throttle, please?
Sir?
Or a monster,
We don't
please?
have those, sir.
Yeah, I know we used to though.
Don't tell me you're going to be
Yes,
here
sir.
all afternoon to 4 o'clock doing that crap.
Drinking energy drinks.
Why not? I'm making the store money. I bought a sub when I could have had one at 4.
Yeah, you better use my cardboard. I'm giving it to you.
Cardboard.
My card, I used it yesterday for Tasha's.
You blinker.
That's teaching from my manager. My manager got me good at that. Thank you so much. Oh, well, thank you.
No, thank you. No.
Oh, 2 second rule.
So she spits on it too. All right. Can I film you making a sub?
Can I?
Hey, this is Jesse. This is Lee, and that's the grr over there. Oh. So she's putting Southwest on there and lettuce, tomatoes, and he's bagging. Well, he's bagging bread.
We gotta do a take 2 of that 10-second rule.
Yeah, well, you got it.
2-second rule.
I have a PSI that picks up everything in the building, so the audio's there.
The audio is there.
The evidence is not there.
The evidence is
Oh, this
not-
is hot sauce. She's putting hot sauce on her sub.
Hot sauce in it.
Yeah. So how do you like working at Mr.sub, Jesse?
It's a real
If you
treat.
work with the right people, it's fine.
That is true. It makes the world go around.
He says on the
Oh,
side.
she's having a spicy chicken too.
Yes, I got you.
Ha 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 ha.
No pickles on my one.
No pickles. All right. So that's the experience you get when you come to a Mr.sub. Excellent experience. They will correct you in what energy drink that you need to have. But all right, let's see where we are now. Let's see this stuff. Ooh, cheeky monkey. All right, so I'm going to continue my meal here at Mr.sub, and maybe we'll catch up later. This is going to be bad, and I will talk to you later at another location.